In the heart of Babylon lived a man named Daniel, wise, faithful, and devoted to God. Even in a foreign land, Daniel never bowed to fear. The king admired Daniel, but others grew jealous. They convinced the king to sign a new law that anyone who prayed to any god or man except the king would be thrown into the lion's den. When Daniel heard the law, he didn't hide. He went home, opened his window toward Jerusalem, and prayed, just as he had always done. His enemies watched and rushed to the king. The law could not be changed. Though the king loved Daniel, he was forced to command, "Throw him into the lion's den." The heavy stone rolled away. Daniel was lowered into the darkness. Hungry lions surrounded him, but Daniel's heart stayed calm. God sends an angel.
Daniel, servant of the living God, has your God, whom you serve so faithfully, been able to save you from the lions?
Yes, my king. My God sent his angel and shut the lions' mouths. I am unharmed.